shocked, really.
Yeah, that's probably the main thing.
I had internal bleeding and everything like that. There was a whole big ass clot down there.
Shock is a funny thing, though.
Well, I gotta say the heart did their job.
Yeah, damn shit. When I got in there, let me just say, we're gonna do some work. Then he said, we're gonna make sure your Johnson still works. I said, that's a fucking thing? Oh god. My Johnson.
Yeah, but like, what did they do?
I mean, never just trying to
Yeah, but like, that's what I'm saying. Like, what did they do to make sure it was good? Did they like?
I don't know. I mean, they just went in and made sure all the internals were good.
Oh, they didn't like play with you or nothing.
No,
Too hard.
they're like,
They had two fake strippers
Oh,
come
he's
in
not
there
doing shit no more. He found God and everything.
nigga, I don't know, John. Nigga, I know.
Most people go to jail to find God. He went to fucking.
He's everywhere.
Yo, you remember Kellen? Yeah. So he just got 3 months, or he got 180.